Paul gained fame during the 2010 FIFA World Cup by correctly predicting the outcomes of several matches. He made his prediction by choosing between two boxes containing food, each marked with the flag of competing countries. His accuracy brought him international attention. Do you know he was an octopus? Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel Lubna Scholaress. Paul the Octopus gained international fame as a psychic sea creature during the 2010 FIFA World Cup, residing in the Sea Life Center in Oberhausen, Germany. Paul became a media sensation by accurately predicting the outcomes of several matches. His method was simple yet captivating. Given two boxes of food, each adorned with the flags of the competing teams, Paul would choose one and his selection would predict the winning team. With an uncanny accuracy rate, Paul's predictions captured global attention, making him a beloved and intriguing figure in the worlds of sports and beyond. Here are some lesser known and intriguing facts about Paul the Octopus. Early life and background. His birthplace. Paul was born in January 2008 at the Sea Life Center in Weymouth, England, before being transferred to the Sea Life Center in Oberhausen, Germany. Number 2. Species. Paul was a common octopus known for their intelligence and problem-solving abilities. His prediction career. Euro 2008. Paul's career as an oracle begins during the Euro 2008 tournament, where he correctly predicted 4 out of 6 matches involving Germany. And number second one was World Cup 2010. During the 2010 FIFA World Cup, Paul achieved an astounding 100% success rate, accurately predicting all of Germany's matches and the final between Spain and the Netherlands. Prediction method. Number 1 was box selection. Paul's predictions involved choosing between two boxes, each containing a muzzle and marked with the flags of a competing teams. His selection process was based purely on which box he opened first. Number 2. Training. Paul was not trained to make predictions. His choices were spontaneous and natural, which added to the fascination and mystique surrounding his accuracy. Global impact. Media sensation. Paul's predictions were covered extensively by the international media, making him a household name and a social media phenomenon during the World Cup. Merchandise and fan art. Paul's fame led to a range of merchandise from t-shirts to toys and inspired numerous fan artworks and cartoons. Post-World Cup fame. Number 1. Retirement. After the World Cup, Paul was officially retired from predicting and continued to live at the Sea Life Center in Oberhausen, where he received visitors and fans. Number 2. Legacy. Paul's accuracy and the novelty of his predictions earned him a lasting legacy, with books, documentaries, and even a memorial statue erected in his honor at the Sea Life Center. Interesting tidbits. Number 1. Paul's successor. After Paul's death in October 2010, the Sea Life Center introduced a successor named Paul II, though he never achieved the same level of fame. Paul's IQ. Common octopuses like Paul's are known for their high intelligence, capable of complex behaviors such as opening jars and solving puzzles, which might explain his seeming ability to make accurate predictions. Paul the Octopus remains a unique and beloved figure in sports history, remembered not just for his uncanny predictive abilities but also for the joy and intrigue he brought to millions around the World Cup during the 2010. I hope you have liked my video, so kindly like, subscribe and share my channel. I will meet you in the next video with next topic. Until then, take care and goodbye.